Hey guys, it's Vivian, your hot stock girl. Today I'm going to discuss options. The two main option strategies are buying puts and calls. First off, you must have a margin account in order to buy options. Contact your brokerage firm about changing your account to a margin account if you haven't done so already. You can buy options on many types of investments, including stocks, bonds, commodities, and real estate. But here we are going to discuss stock options. Remember one important thing. You have to be right on the direction the stock moves within a specific time period. And that is almost impossible to do on a consistent basis. Now, let's get started. A call is an option contract where you have the right but not the obligation to buy a certain stock at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. Buying a call means you are betting a stock will go up. If you buy one call option, you will control 100 shares of the underlying stock. A put is an option contract where you have the right but not the obligation to sell a certain stock at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. Buying one put allows you to control 100 shares of the underlying stock where you are hoping to see the stock go down in order for you to profit. Buying 10 option contracts puts you in control of 1,000 shares of stock, and buying 100 option contracts lets you control 10,000 shares, and so on. The price of an option is equal to its time value and its intrinsic value. The longer the time is before expiration, the more you will pay for the option. You can buy options that expire this month or next month, betting on a short-term price swing. You can also buy long-term options called leaps. This gives you more time on your option, but you will pay more for the time premium to own leaps. Options expire at 4 p.m. on the third Friday of the month. I suggest selling your options before this time because you might have to pay the underlying stock, which is a big hassle. Call options where the stock price is above your option price will expire worthless. This means you lose all of the money you paid for your calls. If the stock price is above your call price, your options are in the money. This is where you can profit if the stock keeps going higher. There are so many strategies to make money in options and to protect your investments. But be aware that the people who write the options you are buying are very smart. The people who write options are experts in stock volatility and time value. Studies have shown that 75% of options expire worthless. Option writers know how to price the options so you won't make money unless the stock has a wild swing in its price. A good strategy to make extra income is to write a covered call. This is when you own the underlying stock and you become the writer of the call option that someone else buys. When someone buys a call you have written, you get that money, less some fees. If you own 1,000 shares of stock, you can write 10 covered calls. If someone buys your 10 covered calls for, say, $3 each, they will be paying you $3,000. If that option later expires worthless, you keep the money and your stock. If the option is in the money at expiration, you merely hand over your stock at the option strike price. If you are a really serious investor, I recommend reading the book Understanding Options by Michael Sincere. You can find it on Amazon. So, there you have it, my thoughts on options. I'm Vivian, your hot stock girl, and please be sure to subscribe below and check out my other videos for my great investment ideas. Bye!